Okay, good morning. Today's going to be a little bit different. Okay, we're going to slow things down for the start of this unit. Okay, so today we're just focusing on the notes page. Okay, you're still going to have a couple practice problems you're going to do, and then tomorrow you'll have like the actual homework page of it. Okay, I still want you to upload it the same way that we've been doing. So with this notes page, we're talking about solving multi-step equations. And if you've picked up the notes page out of the Dropbox, I'm going to work out the even problems. You guys are responsible for the odd numbers, okay? So let's talk about solving multi-step equations. There's going to be 3 steps into this. The first step is to distribute and this is only if needed. Secondly, we are to combine like terms. On each side. And then lastly, solve. Distribute if needed, combine like terms on each side, and then solve, okay? So you can see now how everything that we've done up to this point is building to this lesson, okay? So number 2, again, I'm doing evens. You guys are responsible for the odds. I've got 91 is equal to -7, parentheses 3a, minus 1. Okay, so my first thing is I will look at step 1. Step 1, do I need to distribute? Right here? Yeah, I do. So I bring down 91 is equal to -7 times 3a. -7 times 3a is -21a. -7 times -1. A negative times a negative is a positive 7. Okay, look at step 2. Combine like terms if needed, or on each side. Do I have any like terms on either side of the equal sign? Let's go ahead and build a wall. On the left, do I have any like terms needed combined? No, it's just 91. On the right, -21a plus 7. Are those like terms? No. -21 has a variable of a with it, and the 7 does not. Okay, so now we can move to step 3 as to solve. Okay, solving meaning that I want the variable by itself. If I want the variable by itself, remember we start with this constant. In order to move it, we do inverse operations. Positive 7, so I have to subtract 7. That cancels. And what I do to one side of the wall, we have to do to the other side of the wall. So I've got 91 minus 7 is going to be 84. Is equal to -21a. -21 and a, when they're together like this, they are multiplying. So we divide. 84 divided by -21 is -4 is equal to a. And that would be our answer. Let's try number 4. Okay, so number 4, bit longer of a problem, but I follow the same steps. Okay, distribute if needed. I need to distribute. So I've got negative 3 times k would be negative 3k. Negative 3 times negative 8. Negative times a negative is a positive. Negative 3 times 8 is 24. Okay, right here. There's no number in front of the parentheses, but we understand that to be a negative 1 because of the minus sign there. So we distribute negative 1. Negative 1 times k is negative 1k. Negative 1 times 5, negative 5 is equal to 23. Let's go ahead and build our wall. Okay. On the left, let's think about step 2. Combine like terms on each side. On the left-hand side, do I have a set of like terms? Yes. I have negative 3k, negative 1k. Combine those. Negative 3k minus 1k would be negative 4k plus 24 minus 5 is equal to 23. Okay. Still on that left-hand side, do I have another set of like terms? Yeah. And positive 24, negative 5. Combine those, negative 4k, 24 minus 5 is 19. Okay, left-hand side, don't have any more like terms. The right-hand side, I don't have any like terms. Step 3, solve. To get k by itself, we start with this constant. So we subtract 19 to both sides. Negative 4k is equal to 23 minus 19 is 4. Negative 4 is multiplying to k, so we divide it. K is equal to 4 divided by negative 4, a negative 1. Number 6, we've got 8 parentheses 2 w minus 1 minus 4w equals negative 116. Okay. Step 1, distribute if we need to. We have to. So 8 2w would be 16w. 8 times negative 1 is negative 8. I don't distribute 8 to the negative 4. Why don't I do that? I don't do that because it's not in the parentheses, so I just bring it down. Negative 4w minus 116. Okay, building my wall. On the left-hand side, do I have any like terms? Yes. And 16w and negative 4w. 16w minus 4w would be 12w minus 8 equals a negative 116. Any other like terms that I need to take care of? Nope. So I'll begin to solve. I want to get w by itself. I move the 8 first. Minus 8, I add it to both sides. 12w is equal to negative 116 plus 8 is a negative 108. To get w by itself, we divide by 12. W is equal to negative 9. Number 8, negative 25 equals 1/2, parentheses 10x minus 2 plus 3x, okay? You're going to have some that have fractions, okay? Go ahead and multiply those out. On the calculator, if you don't know how to type in a fraction, you put parentheses. So if my fraction is 1/2, I would put parentheses 1 divided by 2, parenthesis, and then the rest of the whatever you're multiplying it by, okay? So this one, we distribute. 1/2 times 10x would be 5x. 1/2 times negative 2 is a negative 1. Plus 3x at the end because it doesn't get distributed. On the left, do I have any like terms? No, just the 25. On the right, I have a set of like terms. They are 5x and 3x. 5x plus 3x is 8x minus 1. Go ahead and solve. You add 1 to both sides. Negative 25 plus 1, negative 24 equals 8x. Get x by itself, we divide by 8. Negative 3 is equal to x. Okay. I think what I'm going to have you do is I want you to work on the the odds now. And I want you to give number 10 a try. It's a word problem. Okay, it's not that difficult. I want you to give number 10 a try. If you have questions, join the Google Meet this morning. And tomorrow we'll continue with this lesson, okay? Thanks.